It's nothing like the outdoors to escape for a while. The Santa Paula Canyon and Punchbowl Trail is located about an hour northwest of Los Angeles in Ventura County. Park off Highway 150 and enter through Thomas Aquinas College. Be sure to stay on the paved road as you walk through the campus. Or else, just kidding, he's a very nice man.
So here we are at the trailhead. It's probably about a 20-25 minute hike through the campus. Let's check it out.
This beautiful 6-mile round-trip hike is located in Los Padres National Forest. I'm curious to see the condition of these trails due to all the rain we've had in these last couple days.
Well, after you make it across the river, you got a nice trailhead in front of you. So maybe we should have crossed a little earlier. I don't know, but I'm feeling pretty refreshed right now. So we crossed like the worst part of the river, stream, river, whatever it is, just to find out like 10 feet later, we got to cross back over, but at least it's not as bad this time. The only reason why I'm filming you is because I'm hoping you fall.
Right?
It's kind of messed up in a way, but in a way it helps a lot of hikers. So maybe it's a little safety. So it's kind of like balances each other out or something. Somebody spray painted arrows on the rocks pointing you to the right direction you should be going. I'm telling you, these trails are completely washed out. We were here about a month ago and it's totally different. Like water's flowing through, moved rocks, all kinds of debris and stuff like that. So we're kind of just trying to inch our way there. Who knows if we're gonna make it there today, but still an adventure, still fun. Just gotta be careful. That helps us out a little bit. You know, some of the arrows are buried under the water. But this one seems to be working right now, and we're actually going away from the river, I guess you'd call it nowadays. We'll make some distance in a good amount of time. Maybe we'll actually get there. Don't look there.
And at last, we finally made it to the first punch bowl. I've never seen so much water flow through this little area. Till next time, let the river flow.
Cheers.
Cheers.
For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to be notified for the next video.